Hello, everyone.
Take a look at this body cam video of officers wrangling that snake. Better them than me. The police department says incidents like this highlight the wide range of calls their officers respond to every day. Can you imagine? Nope. They got the snake in a bucket, safely released it somewhere away from homes and people. Thank you to the Trophy Club police out there. We appreciate y'all.
The stuff nightmares are made of
Exactly.
for so many.
He won't get in here. He won't go after you. Walter, get in here now. Get in here. Boy.
Good thing the dog didn't go after him, just like she said.
You shoot your
Oh, boy, I wrapped that together. He ain't gonna do it nothing. He ain't gonna do it nothing. You can't do nothing. You can't do it nothing, boy. You can't do it nothing.
Oh, he's gonna box you.
Local officers deal with alligators pretty regularly, but this guy just started the job last week.
Just laughing in the background.
Maybe he exaggerated a little on his resume when he said he was highly disciplined. Turns out even canine officers aren't fearless. This poor guy is scared of escalators. You actually would have made a pretty good partner.
What is happening? Where are you taking them?
An officer can handle a small alligator alone. Catching a giant like this takes serious teamwork.
Getting there. Good job, Luke. Just cover his head, like behind his nose, like where my hand left it.